Welcome to Math 081. This video will help you become familiar with the Blackboard course site. The first page you see after logging in to Blackboard and selecting the course is the home page. The home page provides quick access to the two most used folders in the course, Getting Started and Math 081 Course Content. The course menu is located on the left-hand side and provides quick links to the main parts of the course. The links open in the Course Content window or sometimes in a new window or tab. Check out each of the links from the course menu: Getting Started, Course Content, Communications, and Web Links. Note: your instructor may have added other links to the course menu or other course materials. Check all the links, especially those that may be specifically for your section of the course. The Getting Started page helps you locate important information about how the course works. The descriptions below each folder explain what information can be found within that folder. At the beginning of the semester, read all the information in each folder before studying math. During the semester, refer back to this Getting Started folder if you need help with course requirements, deadlines, tutoring, technology, etc. Let your instructor know if you have any questions about this material. Once you have read through all of the Getting Started material, you are now ready to study. The Math 081 course content is organized following the chapters in the textbook. Each chapter is then broken down into sections. Study the chapters and sections in order because new math topics usually build on previous concepts. To find the course content, select the link to Math 081 course content. This link can be found either in the course menu or from the middle of the home page. Select the chapter link. You will see similar links in every chapter folder. The links show folders for each section and for chapter review materials. Scroll down to see all the information in each chapter. As you study, keep track of your progress by marking material as reviewed. Select the section link. You will see similar links in every section folder. To study each section, work your way down the list of links in order. Read, textbook, and watch videos. Click on the link to open a new window with a PDF version of the textbook. Read the section actively and carefully with paper and pencil in hand. As you read, take notes and work through the examples. Write down any questions you want to ask your instructor, classmates, or tutor. Try the practice problems and check your answers. Many of the practice problems have links to a video explaining that practice problem. Click on the icon to watch the video. The videos are a great way to see the math with step-by-step explanations. Try each problem on your own first, and then compare your work and answers to the video explanations. Complete the textbook exercises at the end of the section as directed by your instructor. The answers are provided after each exercise set. If you have any questions about the textbook exercises, contact your instructor. The information in the Read Textbook and Watch Videos link is the most comprehensive way to study. It contains the textbook with its videos and the practice exercises all in one place. The practice textbook exercises and summary links go directly to the information located at the end of the textbook section. After reading and working through the textbook practice exercises, complete online exercises in MyOpenMath. You may be required to complete this homework as a graded assignment with a specific due date. Make sure you are aware of the due dates for all the online homework assignments. Go to the MyOpenMath website to complete these online exercises. For details about creating your MyOpenMath account, see the information under Getting Started, Technology Support, My Open Math Instructions. Log in and locate the correct assignment. Work out the solutions to each question on paper first. This paper is not submitted to your instructor, but will help you organize your work and answers. Type the final answer in the answer box, following all instructions for how to input the answer. My Open Math automatically scores your work. Review the feedback carefully. Occasionally, a correct answer is scored as incorrect. First, check that you followed the instructions for formatting the answer. Then contact your instructor and explain why you feel the answer was scored incorrectly. At the end of the Chapter 1 folder, check out the Chapter Review. This paper and pencil review consists of practice problems from the entire chapter. Check your own work with the provided answers. After completing the material for a chapter, move on to the next chapter. Remember to study the list of links in each section folder in order. Follow the schedule and deadlines provided by your instructor. You are required to take a test and a final. See your syllabus for details about testing and other graded work. To prepare for a test, review the textbook materials for the sections covered. A review for the final exam is located at the end of the Math 081 course content folder. We hope that you have a wonderful semester.